Okay guys, so am I coming back? Oh my gosh, I am always getting myself in trouble. Okay, what do you think I picked up? I am back at Dillard's. So let's see if you can figure out what I picked up. You guys, I want to show you this beautiful Louis Vuitton collection. They have lots of beautiful bags, pre-loved. Very nice. Very nice selection they have. Guys, look at this. Speedy 30. Very, very nice collection. Look at this, guys. This is $21.50. Practically brand spanking new. Very nice selection. Look at this. Keep all. $13.25. Not bad. I have tons of these. A little backpack. Some more little cuties. If I were going to do Louis Vuitton, I would do it this way. This is my dream bag, you guys. That's my dream bag if I were to get a Louis Vuitton. So anyway, let me check out, guys. Let me check out, and let's see if you guys can guess which bag I picked up from my trip the other day. Guys, she's coming over to ring me out. So let's see. All right, guys, here's what I picked up. Can you guess? So just a quick sneak peek at Patricia Nash for those who love Patricia Nash. Lots of cute little pieces. I just popped in just to get this today before the sale possibly ended, so I'm not going to show everything. This is actually one of my favorite Patricia Nash prints. I think this is beautiful. Like this little cosmetics case. It's very cute. Backpack. And this is the other side of the clearance for Patricia Nash. Okay guys, I have to get out of here, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So guys, today's video is just going to be a unbagging and also a little mini collection video. So if you saw my Hang With Me at Dillard's video that I posted, you might be able to guess what I decided to pick up. But if you have not checked out with that Hang With Me Dillard's video, I will leave a link below so you can check out what you think I may have picked up, as well as some of the amazing and beautiful bags that Dillard's had to offer at some great prices for the Independence Day sale. So guys, if you are interested in seeing what is in the bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's take a look. I'm pretty sure you can already guess because I kept going back to it. Here we are. So as you can see, this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody in the color grass. Absolutely beautiful color, guys. Look at this. It kind of reminds me, I wouldn't go far as a Kelly green because the camera is making it look a little bit brighter than what it is, but it still is a very beautiful green. It kind of looks like a Kelly green and an olive mixed. Like I said, the camera is making it appear to be more Kelly. So let me see if I can get a true to color shot. Okay, I know the other color was a lot prettier, but here she is. This is a lot more true to color. As you can see, still a beautiful shade of green. And if you have not seen a review on this crossbody, I think I have a what fits in my video playlist. But if I can find it, I will link it below so you can see what fits and some of the features. But just off the bat, she has the gold-plated logo. She has a zipper in the front. She also has these beautiful braided zipper pulls here and here. And the beautiful Sierra leather trim, which is absolutely gorgeous against this grass color. And she also has the adjustable strap where you can make it a short shoulder. It has the two buckles here, so you can take out the middle section and use it as a short shoulder. Absolutely beautiful. Green is one of my very favorite colors, any shade of green. So this pretty much stole my heart. And I wanted to pick up the wallet, but then they were a little bit too small. And I do have something in a color that I think would match this. It's not a wallet. Well, no. I have a wallet as well as a little cosmetic case that I just want to check out just to see if it matches. And if not, I can easily throw in a natural colored wallet or my 1975 Shiny It collection wallet and accessories. So I wasn't really necessarily looking to add a matching wallet to this bag. So anyway, I did pick it up on the Independence Day sale and I paid $94, regularly $188. And I also got an additional 15% off. So I think it was a perfect deal. So what I will do, guys, is I just want to pull out the couple of accessories that I have that I think would match this bag. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see, guys? Look on the strap here. Oh my gosh, they listened. And look on the strap here. Okay, so if you do not know, I posted a video with one of my other crossbodies, and it may actually be this crossbody where it was my small Hattie, and my issue was that it doesn't have a keeper that goes here. You guys, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Peter Dooney. You are the man. That's all I gotta say. You guys, can't you tell how excited I am? Oh my gosh. This is my favorite crossbody, and this was the only issue that I had with it. Oh my gosh, you guys. He put a keeper on the strap. Peter. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am like so emotional right now. You have absolutely no clue. Oh my gosh. It's just the small things. The small things. I am a very simple type of lady, and things like this just makes life simple. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so happy. Look at this. And I'm going to show you before I pull out my wallets and my accessories that I want to see if it matches. Look at this. Wow. Let me pull out one of my other crossbodies just so you can see what all my excitement is about. Okay, so here is my elephant. And if you look here, there is no keeper. There is no keeper. And as you can see how it flops all about, no keeper. That was my only complaint about these bags. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm going to tell you, it is so serious that I will gift these and repurchase with the little keeper. So, as you can see, this has the keeper. This does not have the keeper. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited. You have no clue. So anyway, wow. Back to our regularly scheduled show. And I haven't tried to match these before, but this wallet is in the color green, if I'm not mistaken. It is not coming off true to color. Okay, so I wanted to see if I can get it to come off more true to color. It's a little bit more vibrant than this. And you know what, guys? This is actually pretty true to color here. This is pretty true to color for the color grass. And then this is, I think this is in the color green. I purchased this to go with a Chelsea shopper in this color a few years back. So let's just see what color. Okay, so it's just in the color green. So nothing extravagant about the name. It's just called green. And I would not pair this with this. It's too far off. Okay, so here is the next one, and this is looking pretty promising. You guys, look at this. Is that perfect? So here is the story behind this. This was actually an item that I purchased, I think, for like $8 at the sample sale a few years back. And since it was only $6 or $8, I picked it up. It doesn't have any type of logos or anything on it, but I thought that it would be just a nice little piece to add. Not thinking that I would eventually find something in this color, because back then, this was not a color in the green family. So I just picked it up and, you know, just said one day I can use it for something. And till today, I have not used it. It's still stuffed. And let's see, it is a sample and it was $12, but I think I got half off or something. and I only paid maybe like $6 for it. And I think this is perfect. And I think that it would also go good with one of my 1975 Shiny It, the multicolored wallets. So I think that would be perfect. Perfect shade, perfect match. So anyway, guys, this is what I decided to pick up. So next, I just want to give you just a little quick peek of my collection of the pebbled leather crossbodies. So here I have the newest member of my pebbled crossbody collection, and this is in the color grass. I have elephant, bone, Caribbean blue, leaf, and finally my very favorite, black. So what I want to do next, guys, is give you just a quick comparison of the leaf, which is on the left, to the grass, which is on the right. As you can see, two totally different colors, both in the shade of green, but still two totally different colors. So I'm trying to get you a true to color shot, but my whole point is just to show you how different they are in color. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.